Did you know in my home city of Pickering, Ontario, Canada, in the Hamlet of Cherrywood, there is a brand new Air BNB unique stay? Well, we just found out and we're doing it tonight, so come along and check it out with us. This is part of my cool and unique stays in Canada and across the globe. The best part is that not only do you have your choice between the cozy cabin or the tent, but also there is a heritage home on site and a blacksmith shed that was built in 1865. It's the original structure, the original wood, and you get it total for your use. It includes games, a sitting area, and a coffee machine and a fridge, and that's all for your use. So history buffs, come check it out.
Please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you.
Check out our campfire. Barbecue, firewood, and we'll go into the little cabin. There we come. And here's the cabin. It's cute. It's got everything you need. Heater, lighter, drone not included. Lights, water, Kleenex. 2 people can stay. Very cozy. Fire stopper spray. An umbrella and some coat hooks. Lots of outdoor space. Okay, and let's go on over to the tent.
Okay.
All right,
And
so
then-
this is our very unique outdoor bathroom. Waterless washroom.
Okay.
This door is actually reclaimed from the original house, and I kind of
Nice.
buffed it up and whatnot. So, oh, there's a little bit of snow in here. I'll take that. But yeah, so the washroom is waterless, and you just use ash to kind of,
The compostable toilet.
Compost.
Laura was telling me that
and it works fabulously well.
I have used many of these. They're amazing.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And normally, well, in the summer there's water here and we have a little spigot, but now we have just bottled water.
Yeah.
In the cabin.
So part of the stay in the summer is the use of the pool as well?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. It's a really nice big pool, so there's lots of room. And then this is the shower. It's not functional
Okay.
in the winter, but
Yeah.
it's actually heated.
Okay.
So in the summer we have a little heater and it goes in the
Perfect.
bucket.
And then in the summer, they have a pool. Oh, let's go over to the hot tub. So they have this lovely, the tent is closed right now. It's a second accommodation. And the pool. And right across the street is a skating pond. Let's go over and check out the hot tub. Milwaukee, yeah? Yeah.
It was a blacksmith shop.
Oh,
We built the home. It's 1865.
yeah.
And this was the original blacksmith shop. So a
So
lot of these boards and pieces are all original.
cool. So you have like an extra little games room.
Yeah, so there's a place to, yeah, so these are games that people can use and borrow and use in the fridge.
Cool.
Again, not fancy, but it's functional.
No, this is
Kinda
awesome.
funky.
And Pickering. And this is a heritage home. In the summer, there's a little pond, bird feeders, there's blue jays and cardinals. They're all year round. So we just started our fire. Look how warm and cozy it looks inside. I don't know, you can't see Angela right now. And fire is toasty. Excited for some hot tub time soon. Say that 3 times fast. So we are finishing our evening with the hot tub. Look at how pretty the grounds are at night. My favorite part is, check this out. You can get out of the hot tub. There is a heater and a coat hanger. So my robe is hanging on the coat hook. My boots are ready to go. We've got slippers. Yeah. We've got slippers. We're all set. Good morning, guys. It's day 2. We are in Pickering, Ontario, and we're chilling in our little cozy cabin. So we were talking about the stay here, and it's so close to home that is actually perfect if you have young kids and you're trying to escape for a night. You can have a sitter, and you can still go out for the evening and be like 5 minutes away in case something goes wrong. There's a little stay. Here's the Blacksmith Shop. The driver that's on a tag. And the original farm doors are even still there.
Please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you.